YouTube hashtags were that little feature that seemed to be kind of snuck in by YouTube and not really discussed by many viewers or users on the platform. And we still really don't have any new groundbreaking news on the feature that we call hashtags on YouTube. Hey guys, my name's Tennille and welcome back to Sure Social, where I help you increase your YouTube views, subscribers, and revenue. Today we're diving right in, and we're going to chat about the little pesky feature that was snuck in by YouTube called hashtags and whether or not you're using them correctly, you should be using them at all, and if they're actually helping your channel grow. Now, hashtags were added to YouTube earlier in the year of 2019, and nothing really happened other than them being added. There was a lot of speculation as to whether people should start using these, what features would come along with these hashtags, or if YouTube just wanted to join the race of hashtags. There are four ways you can use hashtags on YouTube. You can use them inside your title, inside your description, above your YouTube video title, and you can also use location hashtags. Now, essentially, what happens when you add a hashtag to any of those locations is someone can actually click on that hashtag. It will open up a YouTube search panel and bring up all the videos that have that hashtag included. This will include the top videos with that hashtag as well as just the recently added ones. But is this good or is this bad for smaller creators? YouTube hashtags, especially above the title of your video, are super visible as they're a different color and they're actually a link. So technically, if someone wasn't really enjoying your video, they could just go ahead and click on one of those hashtags because they want to stay relevant to the topic they're watching and go and watch someone else. This could be good in return if someone was watching someone else's video, they clicked on the hashtag and your video showed up, they would then go ahead and watch your video. The only downside to this is it's ending a viewing session on your channel. The whole preface of YouTube is trying to increase your watch time, which then helps you grow on YouTube as a whole. But if someone goes ahead and clicks on a hashtag above your video, they may not actually return back to your channel. But there are a couple of ways that this might help you. Like I just mentioned before, you might be able to jump in on a trend, make a couple of videos on that trend using the hashtag, and people might actually find you through other YouTube channels on YouTube with that same topic, which then increases your watch time, increases your potential subscriber rate and view rate as well. Another interesting thing with the hashtags is the location hashtag. So you can go ahead and add hashtags into your title, above your title, and then your description, but you can also go ahead in the video settings and add in a location. This will replace the tags above your title with an actual location. This could be good for people that are either making location-based content like vlogs or news or anything that's really location based because it brings in the target audience of that location. If you're making content like me, however, or gaming videos or review videos, anything that's not location specific, I would probably leave the location out of it and just continue to use your hashtags. There are definitely two ways you can use hashtags on YouTube. You can either go ahead and jump on trends or create hashtags that are relevant to your YouTube video and kind of make searchable hashtags. And the second way to use hashtags would be to create your own brand orientated hashtag. For me, I like to use Sure Social as a hashtag because if someone clicks on Sure Social, it'll bring up all of my other videos that have that tag or that have that hashtag in the title, description, or above my title. Now, to get your tags above your title, all you need to do is go to the very bottom of your description and add in 3 hashtags that are relevant to that video. And those first 3 or last 3 will be added above your title. But I think I have pretty much covered everything for YouTube hashtags, guys. If you did go on to find this video helpful, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, guys, and leave me a comment down below. If you want to continue watching some of the other videos on my channel, make sure you click on the screen now. If you are new, do not forget to hit that subscribe button, guys. I am back in the game of YouTube, so look forward to all the content that is to come. Other than that, guys, I'll see you in the next video. See you later.